Hey guys, so I'm at my Dollar Tree, so I just want to show you guys in the phone, tablet, and audio aisle what they have. So let me start over here with these USB car chargers that they have right here. They even have chargers, micro USB cords, and everything else. So they have those. Okay. And they also have phone accessories like the stylus. They have those. Okay, these are $1. You can use this for your phone if you don't want to use your finger or fingers. You can do that. They also have all of these cool chargers that just came out. This is a micro USB cord right here. Look at this one as well. They have this earbuds. Look at the colors though inside of it. They have these other ones right here. And they also have this pineapple ring holder right here. They had 2 of those left. Right here they have, this is 4-in-1 stylus pen. You can use those. And look at this one, the type C USB cord right here. And they also have this phone mirror. I did that on my channel already. Look at that. It's really, really cool. It's back here. Okay, that's another swirl. They have the blue one, the pink one, and the purple one back there. This is a smartwatch cover, like the face cover, smart, easily fit onto case, interchangeable, comfortable. Yeah, so they have those. They also have the marble swirl phone mirror as well. They have different colors, as you can see. So this is new here at Dollar Tree.
Robert, to your register.
Phone stand. So adjustable angles for use with most smartphones right here. So this is new at Dollar Tree. They have it in the blue as well. They have that. They have it in this color as well. And the new thing again that I see here at Dollar Tree are these phone holders right here. I'm using one right now on my phone. These are so nice.
Dominic,
Really,
take your
really
time if
nice.
you're gonna take one yet.
So those are $1 as well. They also have the smartwatch bracelet for 99¢. This is stylus pen as well. Again, look at the earbuds right here. These are anti-use keychain LED lights right here. Another thing that I saw again is a cable protector right here. This one, I purchased one to do a tutorial on it. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. So, cable organizer right here. Yeah, there's an organizer cable. So, and this is a earphones as well that goes around your ears and things. So yeah, this is your phone holders right here, and this is your micro screen cleaner right here. So that's good as well. And they also have this type C use cables. I just love the colors. Look at this. I love the colors. Love them. So here are all the phone cases that they have. iPhone X, fifth iPhone 7, and 8 Plus. You see they have all of these phone cases. If they have one that does fit my phone, I usually get it. But you really gotta look all over to see which one literally fits your phone. So yeah, they also have these ones as well, you know, so this is really cute. So this one is also cute. Yeah, this your thing is so nice, really pretty. They also have these ring phone holders. Look at these. I think I showed you the pineapple ones. Yeah, they have the blue ones, the pineapple ones, the watermelon ones. Yeah, and up here again. So they got that. And they also have the phone holder as well. So they have all the LED lights down there. So this is new at the Dollar Tree. They have the LED projector light. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is new. So we have this at home. I never tried these before. If you have, let me know. This is a wall tap light, is what they have. They have all of this lights down here. They also have these as well. These super bright LED desk lamp. Try me. Okay. So if you want to do your own personal desk lighting, you can definitely pick up those as well. So yeah, over there are the dog foods, yeah, items down there, as you can see. So yes guys, so these are some of the items that I